What's happening, everybody? Beachin With The Boones, and today, due to several requests, we're going to walk around and look at the Blockade Runner Motor Inn in North Myrtle Beach. Stay tuned. All right, we're going to start off here in the parking lot at the Blockade Runner. The Blockade Runner Motor Inn here in North Myrtle Beach. Lots of people have asked about this, and we've passed by it many times. And no, we did not get a room here, but by request, someone said, could we make a quick video and walk around? So this is it. Let's check out their pool. So here's their pool. Now this says off season, but I think they're getting ready for the summer. A little bit of leaves, but nobody's in it. Nice gazebo. And if you're staying here, you can walk right out to the beach from the building. You got some grills around the property where you can hang out, throw some steaks on there. You have an aesthetically pleasing hallway, a nicely open and freshly painted front desk, and a spacious seating lounging area in between both. Let's head out to the back. There's a private little seating area to listen to the ocean. That nice grass. Right here at the ocean. So they have Seabells on the Beach Cafe. This is the Blockade Runner. What a nice little pooch. See here how close we are to the ocean. Oceanfront. All right, so coming in here, the parking lot was a little tight, but they have extra parking across the street. If you're coming to stay at the Blockade Runner, you're right here on the curve here on Ocean Drive, right in North Myrtle Beach, right down from Cherry Grove Pier. I hope you enjoyed this short film of a walk around the Blockade Runner Motor Inn here in North Myrtle Beach. Make sure you like and subscribe to keep up with what's going on around the beach so you can keep beaching.